Many people ask me, what paint spray do I need for paint spraying ceilings at home? Well, if you've only got one ceiling, like we have here in the office, you can use the consumer version, the W510 with the 1300ml reservoir, and you'll paint in there. I'm going to put an extension handle on it because it'll make it a lot easier for me to reach an 8-foot ceiling without using a ladder, like this. However, if you're in the trade and you're going onto a building site or somebody's house once, twice a week and painting the entire house, all the walls and the ceilings, that's going to be a little bit too small for you. You're going to need more of a professional model like this. It's Wagner's SF23 Pro unit, which will allow you to continuously spray larger areas in a much shorter space of time. The Wagner SF23 Pro is an airless paint sprayer, the perfect all-round multiple application unit. Having the 10-meter hose and a clear space allows me to paint a ceiling as big as this over 40 square meters in about 2.5 minutes. Of course, if you're only paint spraying the ceiling, you will have to mask the walls. This should only take about 10 minutes in a room this size. Once I'd applied the first coat, I left this to dry for 5 or 10 minutes. Then I applied a second layer, cross-coating the first. When spraying indoors, especially ceilings, always use the correct mask and safety specs. Now, you can use a variety of different types of paints with this unit. However, it's always wise to check with your paint supplier that it's sufficient for a paint sprayer before purchasing. Now the paint's dry, the masking's removed and the walls have been waxed. I've got to say, I think it looks brilliant. If you're looking for more inspiration, follow us on all social media handles and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.